Porto Alegre, the capital of Rio Grande do Sul state, also known as the capital of Gaúchos. It is the main attraction pole of the south region of Brazil, and if you are planning to visit this place, here goes a list of what to do in Porto Alegre. My first stop was the Orla de Guaíba, an excellent hangout for an evening. Go for a Cooper, biking, or just sit and gather your friends on the grass while watching the sunset. While you're hanging out along the coast, visit the cultural center of Usina do Gasômetro, which on weekends, Júlio Mesquita Square welcomes the public with a fair, music and food trucks. Designed by the Portuguese architect Álvaro Siza, the Iberê Camargo exhibition brings together works by the artist Iberê Camargo. The robust and modern building faces Guaíba. It has a cozy cafeteria that provides a beautiful view, a good choice to watch the sunset in the late afternoon. The Cisne Branco leaves the dock and takes a 1-hour tour and travels through the main islands of Guaíba. In addition to be touristic, it has a cultural focus and plays a narration that illustrates its itinerary, telling a little bit about the history of Porto Alegre. The values vary from 40 to 100 reais, depending on your tour option. Still in this cultural mood, the Porto Alegre Cultural Center is for sure the best place for tourists because it brings together the main tourist points of the city like the Museum of Arts of Rio Grande do Sul. The Casa de Cultura Mário Quintana was where the Majestic Hotel operated in the 50s. From that time, what was left was the accommodations of the poet Mário Quintana. The other rooms turned into libraries, study place, movie theaters, and a beautiful roof garden. On the top floor, visitors will also find a cafe, from which it is possible to admire a beautiful view of Guaíba. Nearby, go to the public market. Browsing there is awesome. The variety of colors and smells is incredible. It's at the market that the Porto Alegrenses buy the meats and sausage for their famous Gaúchos barbecue. It's a great place to find souvenirs and gifts. For football lovers, the Grêmio and Internacional arenas are mandatory stops. You can either opt for a guided visit to the arena or to the museum of both teams. The average price is around 40 reais per person. For those who prefer nature and outdoors, Farroupilha Park, affectionately called Redenção, is among the most frequented by the population. Located in the central region of the city, the park is certainly one of the reasons why Porto Alegre is considered one of the greenest capitals of Brazil. On Sundays, there is the Brick da Redenção, the city's most famous fair that brings together crafts and antiques. For those who enjoy nightlife, go to the bars and restaurants of Cidade Baixa or Padre Chagas. There is always a party up there. And for the rural tourist, visit the 35 CTG or Centro de Tradições Gaúchas, where food, dance, customs, and Gaúchos accents are concentrated. At 35 CTG, you can also have an all-you-can-eat barbecue, and still see a show of typical dances. It's a blast! Porto Alegre is also a route to the cities of Gramado and Canela, which, by the way, worth the visit. The Gaúcho culture is really amazing, right? Don't hesitate to have a chimarrão, eat a cheese, and learn how to dance a fandango, che! So, what's up? Did I forget to mention anything? Leave a comment.